Super Breakout, Atari, classic game, one of my favorite games for Atari. Although it is hard. This is one of the games where you use the round paddle. I don't know how many games there are for the round paddle. I know there's at least 2. There could be a lot more. Definitely quite fun to have. You're just like a little block going back and forth, and the ball is bouncing everywhere. I don't know if you could play it with the joystick, but I know you need the round paddle for it. And the round paddle could cost anywhere up to $70 or up to $100. If you're trying to buy it now off eBay, you're probably looking at least $80. So you have to pay at least $20 to $50 on shipping, so it's pretty expensive. That's one of the last things I would probably buy for Atari, my collection, but I don't have the paddle yet, so don't know how much more I can keep going with Atari because the games are getting friggin' expensive. Like every game now is like $50, $50, $50, $70. Just too much. Sometimes you have to stop and not get everything. Maybe next year more of them will come, who knows. But thanks for watching. Glad Super Breakout is here. It's about $30 to $40 game by itself anyway. It's how they are, they keep going up.